Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the peach dandelion seed in Heartopia. So in this spring season, Heartopia introduced a brand new flower, dandelion, and you can buy the starter seeds from the NPC plant in 3 colors, red, white, and yellow, and then you can just unlock many more colors using crossbreedings. And today I will show you how to get the peach one. And first, make sure you already have the pink dandelion and orange dandelion. And and if you don't know how to obtain it, just take the tutorial link in the description to watch the tutorial. And then for the breeding setup, you can just plant these combinations close to each other. For example, you can just plant it like this, pink and pink, or pink and orange and orange like this. Just place them side by side like this. You can just copy my layout, and then after planting, just water them and wait until they bloom, and just don't harvest them yet. Just keep watering daily, and eventually you will see floating seeds appear above the plants. That means crossbreeding work. And usually these crossbreed seeds will appear in the morning in the game. And to speed up, you can ask your friends to help water your plants. And from my experience, this really increases the spawn rates of crossbreeding seeds. And in my case, I got the peach dandelion seed from the pink and pink flower. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.